How to use highway driving assist in your Hyundai vehicle. Lane Follow Assist uses cameras mounted on the windshield to sense the lane markings on the road. LFA is controlled by the steering wheel button here on the right side of the steering wheel with a little steering wheel symbol. This will show up as a green or white circle on the top of the dash. To turn LFA on, simply press the button once, the steering wheel will turn white, and once the system detects the lane markings on the road, it will turn green to tell you the system is now active. So you can see we're going around a fairly sharp bend here. The system is sensing the lane markings on the road, keeping the vehicle within them, and steering automatically around the bend. Now this is not a hands-free system, so you need to keep your hands on the steering wheel at all times. If the system detects no input from you, it will give you a warning in the cluster, and shortly after that, it will cancel the lane keeping assist altogether. Now the highway driving assist function combines the smart cruise control along with the lane follow assist functions and integrates them into one comprehensive interstate driving system. So the conditions that you need to meet for HDA to be enabled is you need to have smart cruise control engaged, you need to be driving on an interstate roadway, and you need to be driving under 95 miles an hour. If the system senses these conditions are met, the cruise control symbol in the cluster will change from cruise to an HDA symbol. Now the system is also capable of matching the speed limit on these roadways. To do this, set the speed of the adaptive cruise control to match that of the current speed limit on the road you're traveling. Now if this is done correctly, the set speed in the cluster will show up in green and set to auto. This means whenever the speed limit changes according to the navigation on the road you're traveling, the cruise control will automatically match that speed to the set speed limit. Now here is a perfect example coming up here on this construction zone as well as a semi-truck. The system does not recognize temporary speed limit changes, so you have to do those manually here on the system, or like in this case in front of us, the adaptive cruise control is matching that of the semi in front of us. Now you do need to be careful in these construction zones as the lane follow assist and stuff might not work appropriately given temporary lane markings or anything like that, so you definitely need to be aware when you're traveling through these construction zones and have full input on the vehicle. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in using your highway driving assist and lane following assist on your Hyundai vehicle. If you guys found it helpful, please hit that like button below, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave those all in the comment section below. I read every single one of them. And if you guys are new, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the other content available on the channel. So with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.